you, I never really thought I would ever do anything like this. Because I'm just not that daring of a person, but I did, and it worked out. My daughter wanted her ears pierced. The whole health situation around the world, I could not find anybody who would pierce ears. I promised to her, so you know, we had to get resourceful. Went to Amazon and thought, oh, maybe they have, you know, a way to pierce your ears at home. That's a little scary, but let me look into it. And at first I bought the kind that it looks like this, right? And you put these up to your ear and you just push it through and it's supposed to discharge. But we had like 4 different sets and they didn't discharge properly, and it felt like you had to push like almost all the way through the cartilage on your ear, and it was scary, and it was hard to keep the position because it was just not for me, okay? I did not enjoy it, so I did not do that. Then I found this little tool and I was like, okay, let's give that a shot. So let me give you up close and personal. I guess that would be pew pew. So what you do is, now this comes with this. Now I didn't use these, okay? I'm gonna insert a picture right here of the gold piercing studs that I did use. I used them on myself for a 3rd piercing and on my daughter, and I love them, have had no problems with them, and they're so cute. Anyway, but when they come, they look just like this, except they're gold. This one comes with this sort of like rhinestone looking, I don't think you can really see it in here, maybe. That's the actual earring. Okay, so then you would take this out of this, which is sterile packaging, right? And you would insert this. So obviously, right? So this is the front. So this is the actual earring and this is the backing. So you take this out and then you would slide this cartridge into here and you would hear click, click, right? Then once you have it, then you would put the earlobe in here, right? And then as you pull, because the cartridge would be thicker, as you pull, it goes straight through. It's so easy to keep the correct position on the ear. And I mean, it was completely painless because it was just like, as soon as I, you know, applied a little bit of pressure and I had it lined up on the earlobe, click, done. And I did mine and I did my daughter's. It was so ridiculously easy, and I'm gonna do a review real quick about this in a minute. Those are little like saline saltwater sort of tubes. That's what we use to, you know, clean every day so we didn't get an infection. Now look, me personally, I'm not piercing through nose or upper ear cartilage at home. I think that's too risky. But if you're just doing lower lobe ear piercings, it's amazing. I could not more highly recommend this. This is such a rookie tool. I mean, I'm pretty gun shy about, you know, things that are painful, whatever, but it just wasn't painful. I mean, just click and it went straight in. So, all right, there you go. Hope you found that helpful. If you are looking to pierce your ears or someone else's ears and not spend $150, or if you can even find somebody to do it, this is a great alternative. And you can use this thing over and over again. But yeah, I absolutely love this tool. All right, I hope you guys found that helpful, and happy ear piercing. Bye.